Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Here is another very informative video for you, which is about function keys. And you will know every function key after watching this video. Functions of every keys on the computer keyboard and their functions. So let's start our today's topic. Here are the keyboard and the function keys are mentioned here, and there are also many other keyboards like escape key, backspace key, navigation, editing keys, and then numeric keypads, directional keys, and alt key, windows key, control key, and etc. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss about alt key, a computer key that you press together with another key so that the other key does something different from what it usually does. You can also refer to this key simply as alt. Arrow key, one of four computer keys marked with an up, down, left, or right arrow used for moving the cursor. Backspace, the key that you press on a keyboard to move one space backwards in a document. Caps lock, a key on a computer keyboard that makes all the keys produce capital letters. Character set, a complete set of letters, numbers, or symbols that can be used by a computer. Command key, on some computers, a key that you press altogether with another key to make the computer do a particular thing. Control, the control key on a computer keyboard. Control key, a key on a computer keyboard that is used in combination with other keys for doing particular operations. This key is usually marked CTRL. CTRL abbreviation control, the control key on a computer keyboard. Delete key, a computer key that removes characters. This key is sometimes simply referred to as del. Enter key, a key on a computer keyboard that makes the computer perform an action or start a new line of writing. Escape, the escape key on a computer. Escape key, a key on a computer keyboard that allows someone to stop an action, leave a program, or return to a previous menu. This key is usually marked ASC. Function keys, a special button on a computer keyboard that is used for particular operation in a program. The keys near the top of a keyboard marked F1 to F12 are function keys. Hotkey, a key on a computer keyboard that provides a short way of performing a set of actions. Key, one of the parts that you press on a keyboard to make it produce letters, numbers, etc. Keypad, the part at the side of a computer keyboard that has numbers, keys, and arrows keys on it. Numeric keypad, the part of a computer keyboard to the right of the main keys that has keys with numbers on them. Numlock, a computer key that you press to make the number key. Below it enter numbers and not be used for moving up and down a document. Pound key, the hash key on the telephone keyboard or keypad or computer keyboard. Return key. A key on a computer keyboard that makes the computer perform an action or start a new line of writing. Shift. Computing, a shift key on a computer keyboard. Shift key, the key that you press on a computer keyboard when you want to write a capital letter. Shortcut, computing, a computer icon or a combination of keys on the keyboard such as Alt plus C that helps you to do something on the computer more quickly. For example, go to a particular program or copy information. Spacebar, the long arrow bar at the front of a computer keyboard that you press to make a space between words when you are typing. Start key, the key with the asterisk symbol on the telephone keypad or computer keyboard. Tab, computing, a button on a computer keyboard or typewriter that you press to move several spaces along the same line. Tab key, a tab on a computer keyboard. Toggle, computing, a key to or command is equal to instructions on a computer that is used to move from one operation or program to another and back again. Touchpad, computing, a small flat surface on a laptop computer that you touch with your finger in order to move the answer on the screen. So that's all about my today's video. I hope you will like this video, and if you are new here, you can subscribe my channel and uh, hit the like button. So and tell me in comments how you can find this video. Hopefully it will useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, see you. Bye.